To get a personal loan from a bank in the UAE is one of the easiest things to do. The interest rates here are so attractive that they beat most countries in the world. The process is simple, and today I will walk you through everything you need to know. From types of loans and eligibility criteria to government policies and the documentation process. Stay tuned till the end and I will ensure you are fully prepared to apply for a loan in the UAE. First thing first, don't take a loan for depreciable items. What are depreciable items? These are the items whose value decreases with the time. For example, the expenses on marriage, buying luxury items, these are all called depreciable items. So anything that loses its value over time is called a depreciable item, and this type of item should never be bought with a loan amount. Loan amount should be used to invest in things that grow your wealth. For example, you can take an educational loan that will help you get your degree and finally you will be able to work somewhere and earn money. Or you can buy some real estate and eventually by the time you will be able to sell it to get more profit out of the money that you have used in buying the property. So the things like these are always helpful to buy with loan amount. And in fact, this is the secret how people get richer and richer. They get a loan from a bank, invest it in some valuable item who will give them more profit in future, and eventually they will return their loan amount, and with this loan amount they will make profit. There are examples where people use the credit card to buy gold and then they sell it on profit and return the credit amount in the same month and they keep the profit in their pocket. How simple, but it always involves risk. So whoever is ready to take the risk, have a formula to get rich. Second point is, before taking any kind of loan, always keep collateral in mind. What is collateral? Collateral is something valuable like property or a car that you pledge to the bank. If you can't pay back the loan, the bank can take your collateral to cover the amount. However, in the UAE, offering collateral isn't mandatory, but it's always good to have a plan in case things don't go as expected. So these are 2 points that you should keep in mind to be risk-free before taking any kind of loan. Always take loan for non-depreciable items and always keep collateral in mind. Now let's back to the topic. To apply for a personal loan in the UAE, you must be between 21 and 65 years old. You should have a minimum salary of 5,000 dirhams. If your salary is below 5,000 dirhams, you are not eligible to apply for loan in any bank, and you must be employed for at least 6 months as you have to give a employment certificate. And remember, your company must be listed with the same bank where you are applying for the loan, and this is also mandatory as your salary should be transferred to the same bank. In UAE, there are few banks who give you loan even your salary is not transferred to those banks. One of those banks is Emirates NBD. Other banks in UAE, they always require you to transfer salary into their bank account. Another important crucial point in getting a personal loan is credit score. The maximum score is 1000, but to qualify for a loan, you will need at least a score of 580 to 600. The credit score reflects how well you manage your finances. Finances means things like paying off previous loans, managing credit cards, and overall financial habits. 580 to 600 is the minimum score to get eligible for applying loan. In the UAE, there is a department, or you can say bureau, which is called Etihad Credit Bureau, that keeps record of everyone's credit history. Whether you are a local or an expat, they know your entire financial history. This is why paying off your loans on time and maintaining a good financial record is essential, and this should be kept in mind even using your credit cards. Failure to repay loans can result in being blacklisted, which could have consequences in other Gulf countries as well, like Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi, Oman. The UAE government has strict policies to ensure that loan amount do not exceed 28% of your salary. For example, if your salary is 5,000 dirhams, the maximum loan you can take is 100,000 dirhams. Moreover, your repayment period for a personal loan cannot exceed 48 months, and monthly installments cannot exceed half of your salary, and this monthly installment will also include other credit histories. Now let's look at types of loan you can take in the UAE. These includes personal loans, business loans, educational loans, car loans, and many more. Personal loans can be used for almost any purpose and they come with two conditions. One is open-ended and second, close-ended loans. As it's clear from its name, an open-ended loan allows you to borrow more money if needed, even while you are repaying the current loan. In contrast, with a close-ended loan, once you repay the amount, you will need to reapply from scratch if you want to borrow again. There is another type of loans in which there is a secured loan and an unsecured loan. A secured loan means a third party like a guarantor or an insurance company backs the loan. With unsecured loans, there is no third party involved. They come with higher risk for the bank. In the UAE, you will also find both conventional and Islamic finance options. Conventional loans follow typical banking rules, while Islamic finance follows Sharia law, where interest is replaced by profit sharing. If you are a Muslim, the bank will automatically offer you an Islamic finance option. Now let's talk about the required documentation. To apply for a loan, you will need Emirates ID, passport and visa copies, bank statement, usually from 3 to 6 months, and salary transfer letter from your employer. There you have it. Whether you are looking for a personal loan or any other type, the process in the UAE is straightforward if you follow the rules and have all the required documents ready. Make sure you only take a loan for a meaningful purpose and manage your repayments responsibly. Keep in mind, don't take loan for depreciable items. Secondly, always keep collateral in mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content on financial tips in the UAE. See you in the next video. Take care.